Hello guys, this is our fifth video for maths class. So in this class, we will learn about how to apply materials for exterior model. So we'll see how to create materials for exterior model. So let's begin with this class. So before starting to apply materials, we'll first set a new view closer to the wall. So let's create a new physical camera, video physical camera. So turn this to wireframe mode and now go to camera and then select a video. And here let's select a video physical camera and let's set a new camera angle closer to the wall like this. And then change this to front. Select the camera, select the camera part, the line, and now turn this to front and just move this towards y-axis like this. Just move it towards y-axis like this. And now change it to perspective. Change the mode amount of the wireframe and just select this camera and press C to set the view from this camera angle. So press C. Change this to perspective. Select this camera and select this viewport and press C. Here you have to select a camera. You have to select camera 003 and click OK. And now let's adjust the view as per to view the wall like this. And even here, move the target on just select the camera part and move it like this. And now select the target and move it down. Just try to adjust the view. So till here, leave it like this. And after this, now let's apply a material on the model. So let's create a material and also go to rendering setup and then yeah, change it. Just make sure this video cam 003 is enabled. And now close this and let's press M to open material editor. Now go to utilities and just click on reset material editor. So new set of materials will be available here. So let's first select one new material slot and then rename it as wall texture. and then change the diffuse color to just change the diffuse color to a light gray like this and click OK. So now change the reflection color to 1 and click OK. Give the value as zero point 0.5 like this. So the next thing, as we have made it as a wall texture, now just apply it on the selection like this. And now let's start the interactive render. So as we can see, it looks very simple and very plain. There is no realistic kind of effect in the wall. So if it is a exterior wall, we should give a realistic kind of effect by adding rough textures, that kind of effect. So let's download bump texture. So just go to Google and download wall bump texture seamless and then add that bump file in this material. So to add it, just uh, click on the diffuse here and you have to type bitmap. Just give a double click and then we have to select the rough wall texture. So just download this kind of wall texture, which is you can just type on Google like wall bump texture seamless, and then select this rough wall texture and click open. So after adding it, then again click to go to parent. When you click go to parent, you have a bump map which you have added. So now just give the value as 1000. Now still you cannot see the texture on the wall. So the thing what you have to do is select this wall, go to modify and apply UVW map. Just apply UVW map and just select box over here. Once you click on box, you can see the difference in the wall texture. Now we can see the exterior kind of effect on the wall by just adding the bump map. So now let's select on Gizmo. Just scale down the texture. So here, just click on show shaded material in viewport. So like this, you can view the texture on the viewport. Now let's scale it down like this. So Once after applying the material, you have to select that wall and then go to modify and apply UVW map and then select box. And then in the UVW map, you have the option for Gizmo. Select this and just randomly scale however that you want and just view it in the exterior render. If this is fine, then if you are satisfied with the result, then just you can stop scaling the material. So also you have to click on show shaded material on the material editor to view this on the general viewport. So next, let's create a metallic effect, metallic material. So click on a new slot and rename it as a metallic texture. And now select on diffuse color, change it to a dark gray like this and click OK and change the reflect to white and click OK and just give it glossiness as zero point 0.5 and then to add a metallic effect, just unlock this Fresnel IOR and give a value around 3. So this will be a metallic which we will apply on the exterior surfaces. So just click enter and then let's apply these materials all over the model. Wherever that we want to apply metal, we will apply metallic materials on the respective places and then we will apply this rough wall texture on the respective places. So first select and apply wall material. So, so first come out of this, go to create and now select things on the model. Select this one, press Ctrl and select this and press Ctrl and select this one. Now just click on the assign material to the selection like this. So now you can see the material over this wall is correct, but the material over this wall is not correct. So what you have to do is you have to apply UVW map. So the easiest thing is you have to select this wall and go to modify and here you have to give a right click and copy the UVW map. Just copy this the UVW map and then select this file and give a right click and paste this. Just paste it. Automatically the UVW map will be applied. So now you can see the difference. Now it is almost similar to this surface. So do the same for all the other places as well. You have to select this. Also select this, press Control. You have to apply assign material to the selection at this place. and then just select this and paste. Select this and paste it like this. And after that, let's select the other models, like wherever the metallic exterior models will come. So select this one and select this one. Select this model and now select this metallic texture and just click on assign material to the selection like this. So uh, the next thing is click this camera and here just select here and just see. So now click on camera 02 and click OK like this. Now let's give an interactive render. So now you can see that this is a metallic texture. These are the metallic textures. And for walls, we have given a rough texture, which is not visible in here, but we know where we have applied the wall textures. So after this, next thing we will apply the wooden texture. So just close this. Now let's apply a wooden texture. So again, just select a new material slot and then to add a new wooden texture, just rename it as a wooden texture and then click on the in the diffuse, just click on this and type here as a bitmap. Just give a double click. So just download any wooden texture. I have downloaded this kind of wooden texture. So you can also download any kind of wooden texture, high quality, nice quality wooden texture, and then just click open. So like this, we have added a wooden texture, and then now select on go to parent, and in the reflection, just change this to white and click OK. Now change the value to zero point 0.5. Click OK. So in this way, we have applied, we have just created a wooden texture, and then let's select wherever the wooden texture should come in the model. So first select, let's select this thing and just click assign material to the selection like this. And here just click show shaded material in the viewport. So in this way, you can just view the wooden texture on the viewport and then go to modify and apply UVW map. So apply UVW map and then you click on box. So now you can adjust the map however that you want. Let, let it be length like this and width However, that you want to place the width, let it be like that. Let the height be like this. So in this way, we can scale the texture. Now the next thing is select other models as well. Just select wherever the wooden things should come out. Select those things. Just come out of this by clicking on create. Now select this one. Press Control and select this. So that's what. And now just click and press Assign Material to the selection like this. And now select this. Go to Modify and apply UV map. Press U. You have a UV map here. Just apply this and just if you want, you can adjust this using Gizmo, or if it looks fine, just leave it and then select come out of this, then select these materials, go to modify, apply UVW. So once you apply, it looks fine. Then door also looks fine. Just select this one. You have to apply assign material to the back side also. Now select both of this and apply UVW and change this to box. And now you can adjust the select this one and click on texture and select assign material to the selection. Copy this UVW, select this and paste it. Now just apply interactive render and let's see how the output is. So now you can see that these are the wooden parts and remaining are the wall textures, and in this place the window effect should be coming. So this will be glass railings on the balconies, and then we will apply a window glass material and the frame materials on the surface. So now next thing is we have to create a window material. So again select a new slot, close this, so select a new material slot and then rename it as a window glass and then change the diffuse color to black and click OK. and change the reflect color to white and click OK. And change the refraction color also to white and click OK. And here, this is the window, and here we have to apply multiple materials. So this is one group. So select this. The easy way to apply multiple material is to convert this uh, model to editable poly. So give a right click, change it to editable poly. So just click on convert to editable poly, and then just select on element. Now, once you select on element, the whole glass element would be selected. Now, just select this glass material and apply assign material to selection like this. And then press Ctrl A to select the whole uh, window, and then press Alt to deselect the glass alone. So to deselect the glass alone, press Alt and click on the glass. And now select this metallic texture and just click on assign material to the selection. So like this, you can apply the, so for all the windows and railings like this, we have to apply separate glass material and metallic material by converting this object to convertible editable column. So just select this railing and give a right click and change it to convert to editable poly. And then in editable poly, select element, just click on the class and click on this material, class material, and just select assign material to the selection. And then you can select this element separately, just this element, and click on the metallic texture and just select assign material to the selection. Now come out of this and then select this window. So select convert to editable poly and then select element, press Ctrl A to select all, and then click on the metallic texture and select assign material to the selection like this. Now come out of this and select this thing, press on the window glass and select assign material to the selection like this. So here also select this thing and give a right click, change it to convertible editable poly, and then select element, and now click assign material to the selection, and then press Ctrl A and press Alt and deselect the glass alone by clicking on glass, and then select metallic texture and click assign material to the selection and come out of this editable poly like this. And now select this one, give a right click, change it to convertible editable poly, and then select on element, select this glass, just select window glass and assign material to the selection. And now click on this element, press on metallic texture, and then select assign material to the selection. So now let's see an interactive render. Just see an interactive render happening here. So now we can see we have applied a class readings and class window on the render. So like this, the results that we have got. The next thing that we have to see is how to create a texture on the road surface. So just close this interactive render. Now to add a texture on the road, you have to download a road texture map. So for that, go to Google. You have a website called Ambient CG. Just type Ambient CG. Go to this website, and here just click on the materials. So in materials, now you have to just search as a road. In the search menu, search bar, just click type road and search. So now you will get a set of road materials. So let's click on this material. Here you have options 1K, 2K, 4K, 8K JPG. So just download this 4K JPG image. So now you can see tiny preview. First thing that we have is a color map, which is also known as a diffuse map. And then we have a displacement map. I will explain what displacement meant in the video. And then we have a roughness map. We have a normal GL map, which is also known as a bump map. So these are the things which we have to download. And in shading preview, now let's see the difference between normal scale. So now we can see the changes. If I reduce it, it looks very dry. If I increase the normal scale, it looks quite a little bit wet surface. And then this is the displacement now. Now see the difference between displacement. So as I increase, this becomes into 3D. So as I reduce it, it becomes smaller. It creates a very less effect on the surface. But if I increase the displacement now, it becomes like this. So always keep the displacement value very less. And then there's a guiding scale. That's all. So download this 4K JPG from Ambient CG website. And now to add a road material, just select a new slot and rename it as a wet road. So we'll create a road where we have a kind of wet film, like a dry road with a wet patches. So that kind of road texture, we will learn how to create that kind of road texture. So first, select a new slot and rename it as a wet road. And then after renaming as a wet road, then just select on a diffuse map. So click on the map and now type it as a big map. Give a double click. Now we have to select this road PBR 4K material, and then you have to select the color map, which is also known as diffuse map. So select this and click open. After that, just go to parent. After opening the diffuse map, just go to parent. So you will come back to those default settings. And here, let's change the reflection to white and click OK. And then let's add a bump map. So click on the bump and type bitmap, and now just select a normal GL map, which is known as a bump map, and click open. Now again click on go to parent and give the value as 1000, like this. And then now we have to place a displacement map. So let's move down. Here you have a map. You have a map. Just click on the map. So now we can see that we have applied a bump map and gave the value as 1000, and we have applied a diffuse map, which is a color map, and the value is 100. And here you have option for displace. So here we have to have a displacement map, and make sure you give the value as just 1 or 2. It should be not more than 2. Just select 2 and view. Just make sure this is not more than 2. And now click on open and then type bitmap, give a double click. Now just select the displacement map. Click open. Just click on go to target. Now you can see that we have added a displacement map, which is a value of 2. The value which we should give is 2. Now after creating this, just give a right click here and make it as a copy. Just copy this and then select new material slot and rename it as a dry road. Just change it as a dry road and then give a right click and paste it as an instance. No, just paste it as a copy. Paste it as a copy and change the glossiness to 0.5, like this. So this is a dry road and this is a wet road. Now let's create another material which is be a combination of both wet road and dry road. So let's rename it as a just road texture. So before that, let's select this model. Let's select this model and first try to apply this material. Assign material to the selection and turn on the show shaded material in viewport. So when you apply this material, so it is looking like this. So to change them, go to modify and go to modify and apply UVW map. Once you have applied UVW map, and then just click on Gizmo and reduce the scale. Just move it like this and reduce the width. Just try to set the road like this. Now come out of this UVW, come to gray, and now let's try to change the camera angle. So go to left kind of view in the Vico, and then let's select this camera and just try to move it downwards like this. So now we can see the texture on the road. And again change it to perspective and keep it like this. And now just apply a interactive render. So here we can see that the road is completely wet. The road looks completely wet. Now we have to make this road like both blend of dry road and wet road. Like wet patches will be seen on the road. So for that, just close this render. Now we have to create a new material. Just select on the new slot and rename it as a road texture, and then give a right click over here. Just just select on this video material and type it as video blend. So just click on this, double click on video blend material, and here select discard old material and click OK. So now you have to go to dry road and copy this and just come back to the road texture and give a right click, copy this. So in base material you have to add video material and paste it as an instance. Then change this to road texture. So automatically in the base material, dry road video material will be applied. And here the next thing that we have to add is just copy this one wet road and then in coat material again add video material, give a double click and paste it here. Paste it as an instance. Now, if you just select on the road texture, so here you can see dry road in the base material and wet road in the coat material, and then apply a no map. So here you have to add another map, which will be a water blender material. So that you have to download. So click on no map, type it as a bitmap, give a double click. So here there is a water puddle texture map. So just download this on Google. Just type it as a water puddle texture map. So you will get a map like this, which will be almost like a water patches on the road surface. So click and open this map. Now select go to parent. You can see it's a road texture. In base material, you have applied dry road video material, and in coat material, you have applied wet road, and then in map, we have applied that water puddle texture. So now let's apply this material, assign this material to the selection. So just click on assign material to the selection and click on show shaded material. Just drag it and drop it. So now you can see that now you can see that the road is this is visible on the viewport. And then let's start a interactive render. See, here you can see the road effect. Somewhere it is a dry road, and in some particular places it looks a wet road. So in this way, we can create a road texture with a dry and wet combined together as a wet patches on the road surface. So see the whole render. So now you can see the whole render. Somewhere there is a dry road in some places, and it looks like a wet patches on the road surface by using the V-Ray blend material by adding both dry road and wet road material, including the water puddle bit now. So in this way, we can create a road effect like this. So till here, just try this out, guys. We'll continue in few more minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys, now let's continue with the class. So now, first we will see to apply the materials on the curtains. So once we apply the material on the curtains, we will also able to view the light that we placed inside the each floors, the V-ray light as a plane. So first select the curtains, select these curtains and press Control and select this curtain also. Press Control and select these both curtain. Now select a new slot in the material editor and then just rename it as a curtains. Just rename it as a curtains and then click on V-Ray material. Make it as V-Ray two-side material. Give a double click and now select keep old material as a sub material. Click OK. So now the thing is we have to change the front material. Diffuse should be white. So change the diffuse color as a white. Click OK. Now click go to parent and then change the translucency also as a white. Click OK. And now just click assign material to the selection. As we have already selected this two thing, just click on the curtains and click here assign material to the selection like this. And then just move this and start the interactive render. So here you can see the curtains have been seen here. So like this we have to uh, change the material of the curtains and then close this. Now we will see how to populate the scene like adding vegetations and adding people's humans and then also adding vehicles like that. So for that we have to go to Cosmo browser. Now just close this material editor and let's just open the Cosmo browser. So now it's asking to update. So whenever if it shows update, please update this Cosmo browser so that uh, the new files will be updated in your Cosmo library. So click on update. So it will automatically update. Click yes. So once after updating, you have these options. For interiors, we have furnitures, accessories, and lightings. But we are doing an exterior model, so we can just click on vegetation and select any trees so that we can add. Just select on this arrow mark. Here we have options called trees. Select on tree. So direct trees model will be loaded. Now let's select a tree, a kind of like this, and just download this. Once after downloading, let's load this tree on the scene. So once after downloaded, just click on import. So now you can see the tree has been loaded in the 3ds Max file. So click on the move and just place it over there like this, and then press shift and move it over here. Okay, and just scale this and rotate it and move it little back like this. So move it like this and just see how it appears in the screen. Press shift and copy it. Click OK and scale this like this. And again press move, press shift and move it like this. Click OK. So after this, let's add human figures now. So let's open the Cosmo browser, go to 3D models, just click on home. Once you click on home, it will go back to the main place. So now click on people. So in people, we have categories like sitting, humans like sitting, standing, walking, animals like this. So let's select on walking humans. And now randomly download any humans like walking. So select this and download. Just click on download. Now import this on the scene and click on the move. Just place it wherever that you want to place it. Rotate this, make it as 90-degree and rotate it like this. Now move it. So also see how does it appear in the scene. So let it be like this. So again click on walking and let's select any other humans. So now let's add this one in a cycle. So download this and click on import. Once you clicked on import, you have to just move this Just move it on the green axis, y axis, and then rotate it like this and keep it well and move this human and place it here like this. Click this and move it like this. So like this, we have to place the humans. Now again go to home and now let's place any vehicles. So select on the vehicles. Here in the vehicles category, we have cars. If you want cars, just select on the cars. So any new updates after updating the Cosmo browser, you can see something new updates like highlighting a new symbol on the top. So in that way, we can understand that this model is new to the library. And now let's select any car. Select this car and just download it. Now after downloading, just click on the import. So now you can see the car has been imported. Just move it outside and rotate this like this and make sure always place the car at the corner side. You should never place the car in the middle of the wheel. So because if you place the car here, the focus of the building will get reduced and the focus will go into the car. So always make sure you move the car at side, something like that. So place the car like this. So always place the car somewhere at the corner. And then let's add another car. So now let's add this one and click on download. After downloading, just click on import and then move this. Move it like this and rotate it in this direction. And again click on the move and just make sure you don't bring the car as a main focus for the view. Just place it somewhere at the end of the at the corner of the view. So don't bring it as a main focus. Let it be like this. Now just close the Cosmo browser and let's edit. Keep editing the. Just make sure everything is proper. And now after this, let's start the render. So like this, we have to populate the scene by adding vehicles at a place and then adding trees, vegetations and adding movements. Like this, we have to populate the scene. And after doing all these things, just save file for once after saving the file, then just give a interactive render. So the interactive render is finished. So after rendering, the scene looks like this. See, we have added the trees. Now people's are been looking nice, and now we can see the cars which have been added. So now this scene looks little better than the before. So like this, we have to populate the scene by adding additional elements like vehicles, movements, trees, and other things. So that's all for this class, guys. So we'll see in the next class. So just try this all the things, practice it, guys, and we will see in the next class. Thank you.